Just restarted stream because it kept disconnecting me for some reason. Hopefully it's fixed now. No promises that it is, but I'm really hoping it is, though. Oh yeah, back again. How? What you first time you writing? Me to take that console right now. Nice. This is ep9.3 because it basically just crashed again. Well, instead of crashing to where it's lagging really bad, instead it was just literally just all over the place. Literally was literally just disconnecting, reconnecting, disconnecting, reconnecting like constantly. So I'm hoping that part's fixed. Watching for the third time. As you just explained. I don't know why it keeps doing that, but I think my fix the potential just by restarting stream again. It's not about come back onto Discord. I have no idea why, but I'm hoping it's fixed now. So far, it's not giving the message yet, but then again, it took quite a bit of time in streaming, like 30 minutes to an hour. And you should start doing it, so yeah. It's like before, that's why I usually end up doing many parts, not because I had to go, but because that literally just happens. But yeah, back to what I was doing. I was just basically sorting these chests out. But I guess I could put some gold away now. Which gold sells for almost expensive as occasional logs for some reason. Which one should I could try and go on going apples, but that's gonna be a lot. But I've got so much copper, it's actually insane. My toy's full now. Put all that in there. Last stack. There we go. Don't tell me, wait till I come back, obviously. But for the reactions, the good or bad news, just to get me prepared when I come back. If you want to do a reaction, I don't want it just to stop in the middle of me doing it, you know? Like, that would be bad. So, I'm kind of... What's the best way to describe it? I'm kind of just waiting on whether I can or can't do it. Because if everything keeps disconnecting whilst doing a reaction video, that's bad. But so far from as I'm learning about it or getting used to this problem, if the reaction video ends up being less than an hour, I'm just probably fine. Less than 30 minutes, definitely probably going to be fine. So is it good or bad news? But looks like it's good news so far. That is going to be fine. I think you just told me. So if the one we did 40 minutes, I'm up to wait a bit later and do the other ones first and see how well. You just told me when I come back. So it's just basically a waiting game. So that's why I'm doing some more of these streams just to test it out. That's why I started off just working on the capture farm, just to make sure everything was working and was good. As soon as I started doing these other things, that's when it decides to start crashing, which is annoying. But the attempt so far is going, looking over this compared to before, is looking better. So my edit that I did fixed it. So when doing streams, I think it's from now on it has to be 1080p. Like I can't do a 440p stream in this ultra wide resolution at least. And in doing that, I also got to lower the bitrate. Because the bitrate might be too high. Because it looks like it was similar to when it was too high before, the problem I had. However, does OBS need an update or something? No, I am on the latest version. So the bitrate could be the problem combined with the resolution issue. So by the looks of it, it's fixed. Which is a simple mistake, kind of type thing. In a way, by the looks of it was, so should be fixed now, and if it's not, then I have no idea what the problem is. That should be a bit. Well, by the looks of it, fixed anyway, so I don't think I'm gonna have to ask if it's fixed. So I think it was just that simple problem. I was looking at the wrong one. Copy done yet? Oh yeah, actually is. I thought it would be still going. Oh, except two of them, it would be two at times, so it'll be a lot faster. The thing, you didn't start a Skyblock on stream, you started to stream when you already had a lot done, so it can't be a series. If you look back a while ago, like some of the actual normal Cubecraft ones, there was Skyblock content there, and a while back, I did do this Skyblock, so really, it is a start of a Skyblock series of the new Skyblock update. So it's a series of doing the new update. So for when the update came out, this is when the series started, type thing. So it's a series of the new Skyblock update. It's weird how to describe it though. Oh no, I just actually put my armor in there. Oops. Also, Joe, with those case trees are those actually going to have to be gone eventually, which is why I cleared out that area over there. Because it will have to be shifted, basically. I do not remember which one. I would have been coupled in it. Yeah. Oh, I'm out of iron again. I heard this good on VC. I got bad news. Where it's at 99% of streams. No way, joins that for me. Oh yeah, you're so bad. Like about my parkour map. I think you already told me something about it before. Anyway, that was bad. Um, I did not tell you this. Okay. No joins that from me though. I do know some people that do join. Mainly Blue as well. He just joins but doesn't type anything. I know a few people tell me that as well. They join without timing me. They join, but I don't put anything in stream chat. Interaction because I made a video about it. Which one do you want? I mean, it's up to you really if you want to tell me or not. Have I gone through that much iron already? Hang on. Have I really used that much iron on hoppers? Hang on. Iron chest. That's similar to how much iron I had before. I don't think I've put any iron in this, so that's concerning. About to run out of iron. Oh god, I'm about to spend all my iron on chess. Who would have thought it would have gone that bad? Probably I should move on because it makes me say it's ways. What's the point anyway, actually? Yeah, that's what I was thinking originally. It was like, if it's really important, you might as well tell me, but could you add to the very first my emergency parkour announcement? Maybe. This stream, for as I'm planning it to, ends at 6, but maybe I feel like it might be a bit better if I start at 17. Which is in 2 minutes to 14 and 20 minutes to the hours. So 24 minutes. No, 22 minutes, I mean. 22 minutes might be ended. Because I don't have much to do now anyway, and this is the third one. And so far, test run, we're going like perfectly fine. I feel like the quality stream rise, the quality of stream doesn't depend on the actual video quality. I mean, like the resolution, but the amount of stuff that I point to stream. So that's why I feel like 1080p is better than 44p for live streams for now. So reaction time or what? Time when I start the reaction video. It's better to get it sooner, I think. Okay, this one is for apples, so let me go ahead and do this one. Oh, apple saplings. So let me quickly get the other frames for those ones. So apple's going here, so there we go. And sapling in there. Alright, so I'm gonna clear all the chests where I had saplings in, so like this one's cleared now. This one was cleared. Perfect. I'm not putting those chests out of the actual chest down here because I just want to keep walking down. So now that I put it up here, it's much better. Also, the idea is the chests having it here is if the chest at the bottom gets full, I can have it all the way up here. That's backed up. An update I want Cubecraft to do is like, if we're adding like custom items to the game, why not add custom chests that have like bigger storage? Like I'm not too sure I've seen the mods before, like on Skyblocks, where it's literally like a massive chest, or like the ones from the Project T mod when I used to streams on that just a while ago. We added like a bigger chest. You should actually generally add it to the Skyblock and make it much better. I mean, like an iron chest maybe, and then diamond chest as well. Like I remember doing ore chest as one of the mods. For bigger storage, like diamond chest being the best one. It'd be quite cool to see that. You know, anyway. Spring party is fine. Russian today, I don't know. Until when I come back on Discord on VC, which is in less than 3 minutes, okay. We're on 1 week. But I'm slowly clearing this chest here as well out, which is good. Whatever in there is fine. That's fine. Got to have this one. This is going to be just feathers hopefully eventually, so I could put ladders in here instead. So, but it's fine for now as is. I think maybe actually even moving that food chest down here as well. And then move those over. So now this is the actual food farm bit here, because that's going to be storage eventually, so. I do generally like eventually want to be like an actual big YouTuber on Cubecraft. No deprived games, no fully high growth from the server, but you know, it's working, but it's like very slow. It's annoying. Where's the Captai farm again? Can't remember. Oh yeah, I can extend this bit here, I suppose. I wonder how much SP gold gives. That is a lot considering I'm at level 50. Oh my god. I'm keeping the stack in the furnace because I want to see from level 0 how much XP you got. I got like straight to level 26 with iron. Oh, fire's back. Hello?
Yo, what's good, bro?
Oh, welcome back.
Okay. So yeah, okay. So tell me everything. First off, tell me like, okay, what is? I'm confused. So, wait, are you actually doing a reaction video today?
Yeah, so might be doing more than one. I'm hoping to be able to.
Is it going to be on video or stream? Because I know you said on stream when I was seeing you that it would all depend on your OBS or whatever.
Well, it probably would end up depending on that, but
Wait, what reaction videos are you thinking of? Wait, do you still have do you still have my playlist that I sent you? Do you have it saved somewhere?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, which one are you think you're doing? Are you going literally in order or like what?
I'm pretty sure they're in order.
Wait, you said you are going to go in order?
Yeah, maybe.
Okay, well I can tell you right now what each one is, how long. Okay. Um, first one is 26 minutes.
Okay.
I don't know if you want to do that one first. It was me reacting to your first video, but
Oh yeah.
the rest are like shorter for the next like four. The second one would be 10 minutes. Third one would be 6 minutes. Uh, fourth one would be 5 minutes. Sixth one would be 4 minutes, and then we got like two long ones after that. Which one are you doing though? Like, which ones are you thinking of doing?
Uh, Probably between like the one where you reacted to mine, or yeah, probably that one.
Um, okay, are you ready for my bad news? Wait, no, wait, no, 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 is, oh my lord, no. Wait, you could possibly do two reactions. The one that I'm gonna be uploading very soon is actually the bad news for my parkour one, actually.
Okay.
Wait, it's actually 6 minutes long. Just 6 minutes? Well, not 6 minutes, but it's like roughly 7 minutes long. It's just 6 minutes and 58 seconds. I think it's totally doable, right?
Yeah, maybe. Is there another one short one as well to do? I'm trying to do 3.
There's many ones. There's many on the there's many on the playlist that I sent you.
Okay.
Like how short like do you mean? Like what how short do you mean?
Less than 10 minutes.
Okay, so less than 10 minutes. So it can still be 10 minutes, but just no longer than 10 minutes is what you're saying. Like no 11 minutes,
Yeah.
12 minutes, 13 minutes, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so it can be 10 minutes, or it can be 10 minutes, but you prefer shorter if possible, is
Yeah.
what you're saying. Okay, well, on the playlist at least, well, one is going to be added soon, which is the today one. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Oh, that's
There's
good.
9 short ones that's under 10 minutes, but one of them is two. Wait, two of them is including my parkour map series. But you want to know what's bad though?
What?
You know what's not good though? Those short ones for the parkour series are not either of the two is not episode 1. Episode 1 is 11 minutes long, so you would have to do that. You would have honestly, you would have to do the parkour series like a different day, to be honest.
I was gonna do it like
Because
whole
it's not you're
separate.
gonna want to go in order, right? Obviously, because it's a series, right? Oh, really?
Yeah, so like
What
go
do
through
you
all of
mean
them.
separate?
Like if I were to go through like a run through of like trying to do multiple at once in one live stream and then separate.
Oh,
Well, clearly didn't
Okay,
fix the OBS issue because it
but
literally just
I'm pretty
disconnected.
sure there's gonna be more than 50 episodes.
Okay, I clearly fixed the OBS. It literally just told me it disconnected and reconnected again.
Wait, and how before that happened? How long have you been streaming for before that happened?
25 minutes. It just happened now.
Okay, 25 minutes. So unfortunately, you will not be able to do your probably your most wanted videos that you want to react to first, which is my reaction to your first video, because that's literally 26 minutes, and you literally just said that what just happened to you, what happened right after like 25 minutes, right?
Yeah. Wait, this is for something else. That's for that bit. Leave that one there. This is gonna be
I don't
sick
think
though.
I don't think you can do I don't think you can do the rear. Yeah, like you Skyblock is already more insane than me. I'm just gonna point that out. I mean,
I
I've
mean,
never done most of the work in Skyblock. Mostly, if I was, it was mostly with Blue, not Blue. I mean, it was with Malio, Pigrankes, um, Oddmice, Cloudy Fox, Pursuits, and Archraft. I did some things, and me, Malio, Cloudy Fox, and Poison Bean were on those Skyblock together. But like in terms of like actually insane wise, I would say like I I I was not the best Skyblock. So I mean, everyone else that I know, like you, probably Blue, Milio, and then the whatever, has insane Skyblock ones. So yeah, of course, yours is gonna be insane. Um, but yeah, I don't think you can react to my reaction to me reacting to your first Minecraft video because it's literally 26 minutes. I'm going to time it up. What's 10 plus? What's 10? 10 plus 6. Okay, okay. Let me just do.
okay.
I need a minutes already. So dumb.
10,000. Oh my god.
All right, I'm back.
Okay. The thing is though, it just disconnects it wasn't and like immediately reconnects, so like you wouldn't really miss that much. You know?
Okay, I just asked my AI to do the math for the minutes for the 4 videos. What it could read from the screenshot: the 10-minute one, the 6-minute one, the 5-minute one, and the 4-minute one. So in total, it's about 27 minutes and 7 seconds. Or if you did 4 reactions today, maybe 5. Well, there is one more. Actually, called 6 minutes and 58. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Do you want to know the final time for all the 5 reactions that you might be doing today?
Yeah.
Can your OBS handle this? So for all five, I think, yeah, 5 videos under, that's 10 minutes or under, all five, can your OBS handle this?
If it's not
34
game.
minutes is, wait, hold on. 34 minutes and 5 seconds. So again, 34 minutes and 5 seconds total for the 5 videos. Do you think your OBS can handle it? Or
Probably.
34 minutes and 5 seconds.
I'm thinking, could you actually generally like just stream just by using this capture card instead on a different PC? I'm wondering how well that would work though. Like if I use my older PC.
Wait, could you ask the question in Discord or something so then I could ask my AI? Or like just tell me what you want to say.
If that's possible, that might fix the problem, you know? I think it might be because I'm streaming SR Minecraft instead of like Microsoft Edge, be fine, but it's always worth testing, isn't it?
The color sign. Can his old PC with an i3 9th gen with Intel UHD 630 graphics stream Minecraft via a capture card at 1440p.
Yeah, 4040p. Well, that's fine now. I can. Yeah, I don't have a capture card, so I'm gonna have to buy one, but you know, if it works, we'll have to do for the people, you know.
Okay, are you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, this is what it says. Yes, but not really at 1440p, especially if he's trying to do it all on that one PC. Let's break down what's your friend's sign setup. The PC, i3 9th gen, like whatever. That's a 4-core, 4-thread CPU. No hyper-threading, and UHD 630 is very weak for 2026. They can play Minecraft, but it's the bottleneck. There are two scenarios for stream via capture card. If this i3 PC is playing and streaming Minecraft at the same time, this is the hardest way. A capture card does nothing to help here. A capture card only captures videos from another device. If he's playing on the same PC, OBS will use display slash capture game capture, not the capture card. Can it do 1446 stream? Minecraft at 1440p on UHD 630, he'll get maybe 40 to 60 FPS on 8 to 12 chunks. Fast graphics, no shaders, it will stutter. And coding 1440p 60 at the same time, the i3 will be at 100%. If he uses X264 software encoding, it will drop frames like crazy. If he uses QuickSync, the hardware encoder built into the UHD 630, it can technically encode 1440p 60, but quality will be pretty bad and you will still have performance in this young game. Verdict for single PC: no, no for 1440p 60. Do 1080 or 900p instead. Um, so let me see. So if Cyan really wants to do okay, honestly, for that PC, the sweet spot is capturing at 1440 and streaming at 936p or 1060p 60 fps. It will look way better and smoother than a laggy 1440p and have his viewer have a better experience. Is he trying to do a single PC or a dual PC? What capture card does he have?
The bit that I just added on Discord.
Okay. But he is playing Minecraft on a different PC with Ryzen, which is R1ZEN5 76,000X, which is 7600X, and RX 78,000, which is 7800XT. She said, "Oh, okay, that makes way more sense, and that's the perfect way to do it. Gaming PC, Ryzen, or whatever you said, that thing will eat Minecraft at 1440p and 200 FPS, no problem. Streaming, is PC. Yeah, okay. This is a dedicated streaming PC. Yes, this can work. So for Cyan, can the i3 stream at 1440p 60 stream? Technically, yes, but you shouldn't. That i3 as a dedicated encoder can encode 1440p 60 using QuickSync, but it's maxing it out. For streaming, you will get a much better looking stream if you do 1080p 60. Here's why. Bit, oh, oh, okay, so, okay, he's on YouTube, not Twitch. For YouTube, that i3 setup can actually do 1440p 60. YouTube is way better for this than Twitch. Twitch caps you at 8,000 kilobytes per second, what makes 1440p looks much, but YouTube lets you push 15K to 20K and gives you a huge bonus. So for Science Dual PC setup, um, game PC, the 7600X plus 7800XT plays Minecraft at 1440p, sends video out to capture card, no performance hit. Streaming PC, i3 9th gen, this is how you should set it up for YouTube, 1440p 60. Make sure the capture card actually supports 1440p 60 pass-through slash capture. If it's a cheap 1080p 60 card, you can only do a 1080p 60. And OBS on the i3 settings PC, then it tells you like what to do. He'll be at like 70 to 85% encode load on a UHD 630, but because that PC is doing nothing else but encoding, it should hold 1440p 60 without dropping frames. My honest recommendation for him though, if he notices his stream looks a little blocky during the fast movement in Minecraft, like breaking blocks fast, flying, that's the old UHD 630 encoder struggling. And then there's two fixes. Tell him to do a private unlisted test stream on YouTube at 1440p 60 16,000 bit rate, which is 16000 for 5 minutes, and watch the stats in OBS. If drop frames encoder stays at 0%, he's good to go. He picked the right platform for 1440p.
Ask if I should use my other PC as well that I do have. Well, I don't know, like, because I don't want you to be like using a load of electricity there just by using a PC as well. That's the only other thing, like how much electricity would end up being used. You know? So would it be better just using my actual main PC instead? Like, just stick it into the one PC?
Is there anything else you want to speak of?
Would it be better though just sticking to the one PC or not?
What else should I search up, bro? What else should I search up? What else do you want to know?
Ask if it's better just staying to the one PC though. Is it worth using another PC or not? I'm getting a whole capture card.
He only just stick to one PC. Like, is it just worth just only using one PC rather than doing multiple? He said. For science specifically, he should stick to one PC. That dual PC idea is smart, but it's for when your gaming PC is weak. His gaming PC is not weak at all. Ryzen 5 7600X plus RX 7800XT can game and stream at 1440p 60 at the same time without breaking a sweat. Minecraft is like 30% load for that GPU. One PC versus two PC for him. One PC, simpler, no capture card, no two keyboards, no mice, no weird audio routing with chat, can't hear Discord. Better quality, better performance. He will lose maybe 5 to 10 FPS in Minecraft from 300 FPS to 290 FPS. He won't feel it. Best one PC settings for YouTube, 1440 60 encoder, AMFAV1 or AMFH.264 if AV1 lags. Bitrate 16,000 CPR. Preset quality. That's it. Done. Two PCs. The pros, 0% performance. If the stream crashes, your game doesn't crash. Feels pro. The cons, it's a headache to set up. You need a good 1440p 60 capture card. It costs $150 plus. Audio is a nightmare to get right. The i3's quicksync quality is actually worse than his 7800XT's encoder. More power usage and more disk space. Unless he already owns a 4K 60 capture card and loves tinkering, the i3 PC is just adding complexity for the worse quality. Tell him, use the 7600X plus 7800XT as a single PC for YouTube, and turn that i3 into a Discord slash Spotify slash chat PC. That's the best use for it. If he was on a weak laptop or something, I would say dual PC 100%. But with a 7600X plus 7800XT, a single PC wins.
I should just realize it's 5:10. I was gonna end like earlier, but
Hello?
hello.
I rejoined because the mic delay was bad.
Oh yeah.
Did you hear what it says? So what are you thinking now?
Yeah, I'll probably stick to the one PC then. Like I said, it was a small idea though.
What are you doing right now?
I'm just still doing Skyblock. I just realized now that
I just realized, bro. Huh?
well,
Reaction today? What time? Or like when?
after I finish this bit off. Okay, I just muted Discord. I'm just gonna end this stream here for the Skyblock for now. Yeah. Let's Skyblock here. We'll come back another time for it, maybe tomorrow. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do the reaction bit now. So yeah, thanks for watching and bye.